What's up, guys? I'm just having fun with the Trickster build I was playing with earlier. Pop, Scourge Hook, Pain Resonance, Darkness Revealed, and the other one, Pop. Pop Goes the Weasel. Did I say that one? All really good perks on Trickster. Especially Darkness Revealed is especially fun on Trickster because it goes with his reload so well. Okers Dokers. Bear, bear, bear. Okay, interesting map. Mayhaps over here, perchance. Hello. I can get an M1 here. Wahaha. I'll hit a Pain Resonance. There's probably someone with a lot of gen in progress right now. I'll pop it. Nice. I have main event, but okay. Oh, there's no basement here. That sucks. Where'd you go? Okay. I only have Scourge Hooks here. I didn't want to use them yet, but I guess I will, because I have to. We're gonna get some Darkness Revealed here as well. Oh, you unhooked right on top of it. Nice. Do we get this girl or do we get the girl? I was gonna go for the girl on the gen, but she kind of gave it to us. There's not really a lot of resources in this corner, it seems. Okay, not working on that one. I want to get some use out of my pop. I can pop this gen. Oh, it has like no progress either. Yeah, I shouldn't even pop that one. Where art thou? Hello? Oh, hello, I see you. There we go. Boom, Shakalaka. Okay. We're healing up and all that. Hello. Okay, I think everyone has one hook. I want to get my Darkness Revealed. I think I know where they are. No one's staring near a locker. That's one rough thing about Trickster is some of the RNG is really bad for lockers. Same thing with Huntress too, you know. Ah, damn it. Move that before that becomes annoying. Oh, okay. There we go. Where's the other girl? Oh, okay. There you go. Come here, please, please. I'll get this other girl. I think that other girl was trying to get a flashlight save. Do I hear someone close by? No, okay. So I have a decent amount of my blades. Hello, I knew y'all'd be back here. And I have my pop ready too. Oh. Need to get someone killed soon. She has a ton of distance. Do I even go for it? Yeah, might as well. Actually, nah. They're probably about to get the unhook. I think I see scratch marks even over there. Oh, damn it. Okay. There we go. Okay. Do I have my scorch hook on this girl? I don't. I don't think so, right? I do. Okay. So no locations, please. Ooh, no locations. Okay. If we get rid of this power, might as well. Okay, I know they're on this gen. I'm starting to get a 3-gen going though, so if they finish it, it's not the end of the world. Pop it. Why are you hanging around? I think she was trying to go for the flashlight save or something. I think she has a flashlight, right? Oh, she has DS. That's smart. Okay. Let's just get back on the gen then. Oh, they fucked up. Nice. We can pop it again now. Okay, don't want them to break my 3-gen though. I feel like everybody's on Death Hook right now. Okay. Oh my god, literally everyone is on Death Hook right now. Okay, that gen's less than half, I think. Is this girl gonna die on hook? Let's try and make that happen. Nice. Okay, that makes it a lot easier for us. One less chase the other two. And we know they're right here. Maybe we'll get a reveal with this. Nope. There we go. This is not a gen you want to lead me to. There we go. Oh, they messed up on the gen too. That's awesome. That'll definitely save me some time. I have my pop now too. One of them's injured as well. Maybe I'll get Darkness reveal. I feel like this is a super rough map for Darkness Revealed, honestly. Okay, just peek around a little bit. I feel like these guys like stealth a lot. Oh, hello. Hello, hello, hello. There we go. That hook's gone. Our hooks were so inefficient though, we actually got everyone on death hook before we started killing people. Here, we'll this girl. Hello. Hello. Is there a shack offering? I didn't even... Or not a shack offering, a hatch offering. Oh, my hand just still left. Oh, the vault was blocked because she blocked it. She tried the vault hit 3 times in chase.
간다. 감사합니다.
Ouchie. Let's see how we did. Okay, they had antiseptic. 2 flashlights. Unbreakable, deja vu. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm not arguing. Alright, that was a long match, but we'll do one more. Alright, next match starting. Alright. Alright. Okay. Oh. I have an ace up my sleeve, guys. They can't predict what I'm doing because I don't even know what I'm doing. Alright? It's my secret weapon. Okay. I think I'd take any other map but this one. And Garden of Joy. Actually, you know what? It's better than Garden of Joy. I can't complain. That's all I care about. I can attack Serial Aura, man. You done hooked up. You done hooked up. Got a little greedy. Can't get greedy on short loops with Trickster. Oh my god. She's really pulling me. Yep, made that gen explode. Oh, I don't have any. I don't have enough blades. You know what? A lot of lockers on this map. We can cut this guy out. Oh my god, that's wild goose chase. I'm just gonna protect the hook at this point. No one's doing the gen in the middle. I forget how large this map is sometimes. Anything to not decrease laceration. You serious? Wait, okay. Nuts. I get the score check. There we go. Oh my god, this Alucard is always running around. We'll get rid of that. Oh my god. You're a what pursuit? Oh my god, I completely lost her. Nope, I didn't. Okay. Yep. Short loops are not a good idea against this killer. Are you the first girl I hooked? Yes, you are. Okay. Let's make sure to go for the Michaela next. Let's not go too far away from the hook. Okay. Nope. That's the other girl I need down, though. There we go. There we go, one more blade. There we go. Oh, that was clean. Do I have main event? There we go. Let's take it towards these gems over here. And there's Alucard. Oh my god, the Alucard has been running around this whole match. Here, progress on this one. I used it way too early, but I got a few hits at least. Okay, not the smartest. I think she had Calm Spirit because I did not heal her here. I got that one. They're healing the Michaela at the gen. I do not really care about that guy right now. I want the other girl. A little bit of anti-camp there. Probably fine now. That was lucky. Is this girl gonna reach second stage? Okay, yeah. Kinda did for herself. Now let's just check these gens. I will get rid of this one, I guess. Doesn't matter, really. Honestly, I should have left it. It's an easy spot to get a few void hits. Oh, hello, RL card. I have not been near the hook in a while. Somebody's got to get the save. We'll just get Alucard. Oh my god, his cape is so big. We'll go ahead and reload. Yeah. The darkness revealed definitely has some value. She's going for the unhook right now. I saw her over there, so. Darkness reveal is coming clutch on some hooks. Nice. Nice. Well. Bro. That is so funny. Okay, well I know exactly where you are now. He's pre-dropping every plan. That's honestly probably a smart thing to do. Pre-drop when I'm not in line of sight. I mean, we were seeing the whole map too. I'm surprised neither of us has found Hatch yet. Oh my god. What a standoff. Oh my, bro, come back here, please. He's one away. Ta-da!
간다.
Trickster didn't do too bad on this, as bad as I thought he would on this map. There's a lot of long corridors, and the pallets give the pallets and vaults definitely give you a few free knives. Yup. Nice. Let's go! Well, I hope you all guys enjoyed. Bye.